Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna back with a brand new video. Today we're on our way to New York to go get Babe's hair trimmed and then to do a few other things. But yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Not the dry hi. But yeah, we're on our way to New York, so catch you when we get there.
And don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you.
Drive, baby, drive.
Yeah. Why have you camera in my face? So I walk across the street like he doesn't want to get across it.
I'm black to step on the window. That's all. I get my soup. I did one. My soup that I was dying to get all this time.
Yeah, and I got baked chicken, fried rice, cabbage, piece of jerk chicken. Babe got not oxtail, pig's tail.
Jerk pork and pig's tail with rice and peas.
And it's the first we're eating here. This is called the Jamaican Jerk.
Jamaican Jerk House.
And it's in Brooklyn.
But I don't think it's
Pine
one of the
Street.
big ones. But look on the prices them compared to
They just crush it up.
compared to our we pay in Maryland for Jamaican food. Last time I buy the small jerk pork, it was $22 and change, and this
Came to
large
$48.
jerk pork is $19.27.
And the chicken dinner is like $18.62. And the soup, potato salad, everything came up to $48, which we would not get in Maryland for that price ever. But
and as it relates to taste, the soup sell off so far. The cow foot soup and the chicken foot soup taste really good so far. But we haven't, well, at least she's about to eat.
Yeah, I haven't tried the food yet.
I haven't tried my food yet, so I'll let you guys know what's going on with the food review
once we try the food.
But the soup,
yeah, the soup was good.
Show them inside the soup.
Soup was good.
So the soup is chicken over here. So we have a piece of corn. We have dumpling. This a breadfruit. This a piece of chocho. And me get a big piece of yellow yam, but me eat the yellow yam already. So the soup look good. Oh, this a piece of breadfruit right there. So
breadfruit, wasn't it?
So them food actually really good. Then keep it as try to keep it as authentic as possible.
Yeah. But
so while I eat now, I'll make you guys know what's up.
So this is my food. as you guys
Pretty
can
well.
see, right? So this is a baked chicken, fried rice, the cabbage, and then she gave me a little piece of the jerk chicken. So I'm about to try that, taste that, and let you guys know what I think. And then yeah, we'll see what happens.
Tell me what you think.
Wait. So I can definitely taste the barbecue sauce.
And the barbecue chicken.
The rice definitely tastes. It tastes like something us Jamaican would make, not like the Chinese
Not the Chinese fried rice.
right? It tastes like or type of fried rice, so we would make with like the peppers in there. And taste the chicken, but I like the rice so far.
I thought you tasted the chicken first.
No, I tasted the sauce with the rice. So
Is that your stomach? How's the chicken?
chicken is good. It's cooked all the way through, and the sauce on top of it makes it like more on the moist side, so it's not dry. So it's good. I like the chicken. I would give the chicken like a 8.
8 out of 10.
An 8 out of 10. Yeah, the chicken. And the rice like a. If I'm comparing this to your food, 7.5 out of 10. But it's good.
Get so much.
But it's good. I'm gonna taste the jerk chicken.
So called
Jerk. Not everybody can cook jerk for me to like it, so. Yeah, no. Jerk is definitely a 8 too. Like there's
8?
Yeah, it's missing the coal, the charcoal smoke flavor. That grill flavor. So that's what it's missing.
Okay.
But it tastes good. It cooked good. It's seasoned right. The season's perfect. But it's missing that charcoal. And even though they do it on the grill, and just because they put it in they cook it down,
so
kills the taste.
The thing is, I noticed that they put plastic wrap over it to keep it warm. You can't do that with jerk
I
chicken.
feel like that kills the taste. Like them stew it down too much. Some of the stuff that's authentic as possible, where you know they just take it off the grill and serve it as is. Chop it up with like some ketchup or something and serve it as is.
What I got to know is the chicken not going to sweat under that, you know. You know what I'm saying?
But let me taste them plantain, because people tend to make them plantain soggy.
No man, that overripe, so it was sweet.
Extra sweet.
Regardless.
There's a cabbage. Cabbage fresh.
Need seasoning?
When I say fresh, I said as in you can tell that they didn't do it, then just do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna taste the potato salad.
Let me see this.
The potato salad. You know me, we love potato salad.
That's one thing I do not like about potato salad, when it's mushy.
Me like it anyway. I like this. I like this. No, compared to yours, but I like this.
How does it taste?
Tastes good. It has everything that it needs to have. It tastes good.
Mike?
The seasoning right, then overpower it with seasoning. Then put a little cayenne pepper on it.
So it was cayenne pepper?
Yeah, but it's not overpowering. So it just goes with everything. And I have the corn, the carrots, the peas, and obviously I guess they put the mayonnaise on it. So it's just right. They not add too much things to it.
Okay.
But yours is different because we know you put something different in yours. But yeah, that is Irish. It tastes good.
Okay. So overall, what would you rate everything?
The restaurant? If I'm rating the restaurant based on their food, the food and customer service, I think they're good. The lady was very like polite and friendly.
Yeah.
So I give her a 10 out of 10. And she was patient.
For a Jamaican restaurant.
Yeah, she was very patient. But funny thing is, I don't think she's Jamaican. She don't look Jamaican. But she was very polite and all of that. But food wise, overall, I give them a 7.5 overall. Yeah, 7.5 overall.
Okay.
I've had better.
Okay.
Yeah, I've had better. So I can't give them too high because that would mean like, what would I rate the other restaurants that I've been to that is better? So definitely a 7.5 because I think the jerk chicken could have been done better. And yeah, other than that, like it, not complain. Tastes good.
Let me see the let me see this. Okay.
But yeah, and
I like when my potato salad are in cubes and not too mushy like this.
Yeah.
But I feel like a lot of people tend to make their potato salad like this, but I don't like it like that.
But it's good. I'm not gonna complain. And the soup that I had earlier was good.
Okay.
Yeah, I give them, because not a lot of people can cook soup. Surprisingly, because it was really, you know, chicken, food, water, and then you season it. So I feel like a lot of people always, it's a hit and miss with soup for me. Because soup is one of my favorite things to have. So soup is always a hit and miss. Either I like it or I hate it.
Okay.
And I've hated soup before because I just feel like sometimes it's long water. You don't really taste anything like other than just salt and pepper and broth. You don't really taste the flavor of the meat, the cheese, you know, the chicken or whatever in there. So and the cock soup. But their chicken, their soup was good. I give their soup like a 8.
8?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, 7.5 was a 10.
Yeah, just tell me say the people them say 7.5. Now you have to say soup 8.
No, I said the soup 8 because I like the soup.
Then corn dumpling
But I said in total overall would have been a 7.5.
Okay.
But I go back down with the soup to 7.5 because it could have taken a little bit more spice.
Okay. Well, they're gonna make you feel public, so they're not gonna make it all that spicy.
But you know, to me, it tastes like you have no spice. But yeah, other than that, it was good. When Babe's eating his food, we'll come back and let him review it.
So, the pigtail tastes good. The pigtail on peas. And I haven't tried the jerk pork yet, but it looks good. Let me try the pigtail.
Is it good?
Pigtail is good.
How much you rate the pigtail?
7.5.
See?
7.5.
Because it's good, but you've had better, right?
The cabbage.
It's fresh, but then cook it a little bit too much.
It's not fresh.
It tastes
The
fresh.
cabbage is like a 3 out of 10.
No, when I say fresh, as in it tastes like they didn't just cook it today. You know, some people them have the spam on it, it's just saggy.
No, the cabbage is not. To me, it's not good at all.
Okay.
The plantain.
Plantain just sweet.
Plantain is just plantain. In my regard. The jerk pork now. Oh boy.
Try jerk pork, cause we know you.
This is one of my favorite protein pork. When it comes to jerk pork, me war.
Yeah, you don't like it.
Alright, so let me tell you what I taste inside of this. I taste I don't taste any heat. I don't taste any smoky flavor. However, it is seasoned, but that's just about it. I'm a bit disappointed.
I'm not disappointed because, as in, I just know. Because when I saw the pork, I'm like, baby, show you on the pork. So I just knew it wasn't going to taste what it was supposed to taste from a seat. Even when I saw the chicken, I'm like,
Zoom in close up on this. That is what it looks like, everyone.
It don't even look appetizing. It just look plaka on the
the jerk pork.
It's seasoned though. Like I give them
it's
that.
Seasoned,
it's seasoned,
but there's no heat. There's no. You know that char flavor, that smoky flavor that you're supposed to get off of the grill.
And the spice, heat.
There's none of that, and there's no heat. But and that big old piece of ear up on the pork. Watch out!
Oh no!
What the heck is this?
Why they never scratch the pork? Yeah, that's disgusting.
What the heck is this?
Yeah, no, me give them 1 4.
Oh boy.
Let's say about my rating. 4 didn't get.
So
that is not okay.
You cannot do this, guys. That is not okay.
That is not okay.
You can't do this. And then if this thing they put it one side and tell me say, yo, you know what, say me can't get a piece of because such and such. You understand? But
you should cut that off and dash it away.
This will probably get from somebody.
Maybe.
We have prepped the meat or whatever, but overall, if you are dead, you're hungry, food can save your life. But it's not something that's gonna be like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You know?
That's what I'm saying, 7.5.
Well, so far, I the pig still I see them. Food is not giving that wow. But if you are dead, if you're hungry, you can save your life.
That's true.
I'm disappointed. But yeah,
you can eat. But seeing that, me definitely take my ratings.
Oh boy.
Them under 5 more for me. Because that was supposed to happen in the first place.
Especially that big old piece of hair up on the pork. But yeah, we're gonna eat and go somewhere else and go chill.
So we'll see you guys soon.
There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here.
With that coffee bicycle. Easy browning. That one thing you can know is that they are New York.
What do you?
The sun hot, man.
Sun don't have there. It's too extra.
The bicycle there. With the shady on top of it.
A tour guide better than the bicycle.
They want a tourist. Let's look at the browning. And then the blackening. Let's say so nothing you think I let me at it.
No, it's just bright.
Okay, they said they see, so you know all that, but
It's very bright. This sun gone in.
the sun gone in. It's a beach, it's not an island. Son, come back out again. Anna foot now, Anna foot it too.
So you don't want me to have big foot? Lie.
Look at that.
Don't lie.
Lie.
Smell brand new.
Brand new one. Nearly knocked me out of the way, I'm nearly dead. I almost end up in the ER.
Liar.
Yuck.
Those things.
You know have a that smell don't have a name yet. They have it now. They have to come out with a new invention for that smell there. That smell there coming like.
Lying lip is abomination until
that smell there. Not defined yet by one researcher or somebody who are gonna discover that word there.
Let's not talk about your feet. Yes, that's something without going to think.
It's alright. I am well secure about my feet and my toes. I don't think you think of ferocious. Ferocious.
I mean, it smells good.
The instant you smell the instant you have to ask yourself, say, I can't find you there.
What about you don't like? It's like.
And the thinking foot of the year goes to Annalise. Say your name. Say your name.
My name.
Annalise thinking foot what?
Company I look.
Look at those cheesy feet.
If the shoes are cheesy, you would not hold it up in your hand.
Yuck.
You wouldn't have it in your hand if it is cheesy.
Smell on the foot them. Smell like bacon. No sir. I thought somebody foot ever smell like a bacon. You know
If the foot is cheesy, you wouldn't make me have it up on you.
You know when you cook bacon in the morning. Well Anna.
Long time.
You know when you cook bacon in the morning. I you smell it in the night.
You know I know
Yo! No, sir.
the fact that you're comparing my shoe and the smell of my feet to
Listen,
food.
right now, me know say right, alright, watch out. Somebody way over the beach over there, so over the beach, smell it. And they must say, no man, I was smell so. How you drop? Right now, your phone smell the shoes and feet. And drop. That's why you drop. No sir. That's why your phone drop. Cause your phone, right now your phone smell the
Look
shoes.
how close you have my shoes.
Right now, if me make my phone smell the shoes, your phone will drop. Watch that.
I have no sense.
No sir. Your phone drop. Look how wild. You have to say no sir. That boy look at you know feet man.
I'm not saying because it doesn't smell cheesy.
And me tell you say they not discover that word there yet, you know. Man, you knock me out, you know, Annalise.
It smells brand new.
Man, you knock me out.
Still smell brand new.
Boy.
That's been okay. My food not cheesy.
I'm not cheesy. Me tell you say they not find one word for that describe that smell there yet.
Cause you rub my foot, if my foot is cheesy, you wouldn't rub my foot.
Me say your shoe cheesy in nice socks.
Then my foot, my socks would have cheesy too. Babe, no, stop my man.
Me think
Let's stop.
give me your foot.
Stop.
Give me your foot.
Ow.
Give me your foot now, man.
No.
Give me your foot. Man, my foot hold on to get the shit out there. Give me your foot then.
Hold my man.
Give me your foot, me say. Annalise, give me your foot. Annalise foot make me feel it down. We can't turn up again. Not true. Say true. Look on the plane there. And then I can see it on my phone. Can't see it.
He's walking. He's so tiny. Oh, jeez, he's so tiny. Am I stepped in?
Oh, the baby. I walk with him, mommy.
So let him then drop.
I creamy that me here. Creamy!
I look about him basketball creamy.
Think of the creamy. Creamy, they are fine enough. Creamy, get these. So creamy come in, grape nut and lemon raisin. I want King Kong. I say they call it.
King Kong.
The big bag juice then.
Hey, hold on, pan the rain.
You not a fan of panel cup it, eh?
know the sun. Come to the fort of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home.